if E and E1 are eccentricities of hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola, then prove that 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. In E1 hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola eccentricities respectively, then 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. Eccentricity of hyperbola E equal formula root of a square plus b square by a square. Eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola E1 equal to root of a square plus b square by b square, because a b interchange होती है क्या? Okay. Now 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to a square by a square plus b square plus b square by a square plus b square. Reciprocal and squaring. That is a square plus b square by a square plus b square, that is 1. Therefore 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1 for hyperbola and rectangular hyperbola eccentricities E and E1. అది మనకి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్స్లో కూడా ఉంది. 170లో సెకండ్ వన్, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 170 సెకండ్ వన్. ఓకేనా? వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్, 2 మార్క్స్. అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫార్ములా 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఎలా ఇస్తాడంటే ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఆఫ్ హైపర్బోలా ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. దెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఆఫ్ దాన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటాడు. ఏంది? కాంజుగేట్ హైపర్బోలా అది ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటాడు. ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఆఫ్ కాంజుగేట్ హైపర్బోలా ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటాడు. ఓకే, అప్పుడు 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1 అలా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, అదే మోడల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్. ఇఫ్ eccentricity of hyperbola is number 174 seventh one. 174 seventh one. If eccentricity of hyperbola is 5 by 4, then find eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. Eccentricity of hyperbola 5 by 4. Then find eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. Eccentricity of hyperbola E equal to 5 by 4. Let E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. That implies 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. మన ఫార్ములా తెలిసి ఇప్పుడే ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. Whereas E is eccentricity of hyperbola, E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. 1 by E square means 1 by 25 by 16. 1 by E1 square equal to 1. 1 by E1 square equal to 1 minus 16 by 25. That is 25 minus 16, 9 by 25. E1 square equal to 25 by 9. E1 equal to 5 by 3. E1 equal to 5 by 3. Here E equal to 5 by 4. మన known form ఏంటి 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1, whereas E is eccentricity of hyperbola, E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. That is 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. అలా అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి 1 by 25 by 16 reciprocal అవుతుంది. 16 by 25, 1 minus 16 by 25, 9 by 25. E1 square equal to reciprocal అవుతుంది. 9 by 25 అవుతుంది 25 by 9. Then eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola is root of 25 by 9, that is 5 by 3. Very important ఈ మోడల్ 2 marks. ఏంటి దేని బేస్ చేసుకొని 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1. 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equal to 1, whereas E is eccentricity of hyperbola, E1 is eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola.